Sakit ng katawan? Huwag kang mag-alala. Pakilaksan FR. Kuskus balongos.
Aray ko, galing ko, Alaksan FR.
Hi guys, so I will show you how I do my daily routine. So, but first, I will explain to you what to do. In trunk, there is flexion, extension, and hyperextension. And also lateral flexion and rotation. So first, flexion is to bend the trunk toward the toes. And then the extension is to straighten back the trunk from the flexed position. And then the hyperextension is to bend the trunk backward. So the lateral flexion is to bend the trunk to the right or to the left. And then the rotation is to turn the trunk from side to side. And then below the ankle hinge joint. So it has the extension, flexion, eversion, and inversion. So the extension is to point the toes of each foot downward. Each foot downward. And then the flexion is to point the toes of each foot upward. Is the flexion. And then the eversion is to turn the side of each foot laterally. Lateral. So away from the midline of your body. And then the inversion is to turn the side of each foot medially. So toward the middle of the body. So I will show you how. So first, stand straight and then bend toward. So this is flexion, extension, and then hyperextension. And then the lateral flexion is to bend the trunk side to side. So this is lateral flexion, and then the rotation. This is rotation. Then we will go now to the ankle. So this is the flexion. Flexion is to bend the toes downward, and then extension. Like that. And this is the eversion. Eversion is to turn your foot laterally, and then inversion. Eversion. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Amazing morning, everyone! Amazing morning, Jul!
Amazing morning, Jel!
So,
Kamusta?
okay lang naman. So, lahat naman tayo ngayon ay nagpo-follow sa new normal ngayon, lalo na ngayong pandemic. So,
Oo nga.
Jul, kumusta? Ano bang mga ginagawa mo ngayong quarantine?
Mga ginagawa ko during quarantine is, may new habits ako. Nag-demonstrate ako ng mga joint movements ko, tapos pinopost ko sa social media.
Talaga lang?
O, yan.
Wow!
Oo. Gusto mo ba makita?
Sige,
Kasi hindi
Jol.
na nag-trending.
Wow, talaga? Sige,
Sige,
go.
ito na.
Ito yung video.
Hi guys! Welcome to my video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what are usually na ginagawa ko kapag bored ako dito sa bahay, especially ngayon na quarantine. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what are my joint movements habits. So magsisimula tayo sa flexion and extension. Upper limb. So ngayon, gagawin natin yung flexion and extension. So, let's start! Flexion, extension. Next naman ang abduction and adduction. Abduction, ganyan, and adduction. Next naman ang internal and external rotation. So, abduction. Next is, kapag ginanito siya, tawag nito is internal. Pag ganito naman is external rotation. The next naman is yung medyo simple talaga siyang gawin, but favorite na part, yung pag-rotate ng forearm ko. So, ganito lang pag-rotate ng forearm. Kapag nakaganito, tawag nito is supination. Pag nakaganito naman is pronation. Ganun lang kasimple. So, balik tayo from the top. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, then internal rotation, external rotation, and supination and pronation. I hope may natutunan kayo, and kapag bored rin kayo, pwede nyo itong gawin sa bahay nyo. Thank you!
Wow, Jul! Amazing! Amazing talaga. So, ako naman, Jul, parehas pala tayo. Kaso ako, ginagawa ko is yung joint movements lang sa lower limb. So, mas focus ako sa lower limbs kasi di ba yung sa'yo?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Opposite tayo, upper limb.
Upper limb and lower limb. So, ito, isi-show ko yung video.
Patingin.
Hey guys, let's start. Come on. So the movements at the hip joint are flexion, reflected in the forward movement of the thigh, while extension reflected in the backward movement of the thigh. Abduction of the hip joint when the thigh is moved outward away from the median axis of the body, and adduction is the inward movement of the thigh. In addition to these 4 basic movements, the hip joint is capable of internal rotation and external rotation. These movements at the hip joint can be accomplished either with the limb straight or with the knee flex. A sequential combination of all these movements at the hip joint constitutes circumduction of the hip.
Wow, Jel, amazing na amazing yung mga lower movements mo, yung mga joint movements mo.
course.
Wow!
Wow, pala yun. Wow. So,
Nakita mo ba yung trending ni Bea? Yung ano niya, joint movements niya rin. Nag-trend
ba?
sa social
Hindi ko
media. Mabuti pa panoorin natin.
sige, show natin.
This joint, the movement or flexion, extension, can also be divided into radial deviation or abduction, ulnar deviation or adduction. The fingers can be flexion and extension, abduction and adduction, thumb, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and it can also face the other fingers, which we call opposition.
Wow! Amazing na amazing.
Wow, ang galing, Bea.
Nakakalain na si Bea yun.
Oo nga, sana all, Bea.
Ano all? So,
Makakasana all ka talaga.
grabe no? Talaga yung mga tao
Galing, no?
quarantine, talagang gumagawa sila ng paraan para maibsan yung kanilang ka-board sa live. Agree ka ba
Oo
dun?
nga. Kasi ina-adapt natin yung new normal.
Yeah,
I agree.
Kailangan din. Kailangan tayong mag-follow. So, I guess that's all, Jul. Yun lang ba?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yun lang.
sige. I miss you. So, see you soon when this pandemic ends. So, thank you everyone for watching.
Miss you too.
Bye, Jul!
guys. Bye, Jel. Amazing morning again.
Morning!
Paninigas ng R5 sa karayuma sa Skelan. May bisa ng naproxen at bilis absorb action ng sodium. Kaya ayos ang buto-buto. Ang Skelan, ayos na ang buto-buto song. You can dance any way you like it na.
Ayos galaw-galaw ko. Ayos na gili-gili ko. Ayos na padyak-padyak ko. Ayos na ang buto-buto.
Ayos ang maga, kirot, paninigas ng R5 sa karayuma sa Skelan. May bisa ng naproxen at bilis.
Ayos na ang Skelan.